So let's first come to our website, which is the peakai.com. And here you can see, here it is. So you can click on Add to Chrome. Then it will redirect you to our Chrome web store page. Then you can click Add to Chrome, add extension. Then it will redirect to our dashboard. Then here you can see there will be two options. One is continue with LinkedIn and another is continue with email address. So I'm typing our email address, send OTP. So after clicking on verify code, here you can see it is our well. So after opening the LinkedIn profile, you can see here it is our extension. You can click on it and here you can see the dashboard. So you can click on connect LinkedIn, then continue with LinkedIn, then add your ID and password, then allow. Then here the dashboard will open. And if you come to again to the profile, you can refresh the page. You can see successfully connected to the LinkedIn.